The Samsung Galaxy A57 has just leaked in full official glory, and honestly, it looks way more premium than anyone expected from a mid-range phone. The official design of the Samsung Galaxy A57 has surfaced through exclusive high-quality renders, giving us our very first detailed look at Samsung's upcoming mid-range contender. While we previously heard a few early details about the device, this is the first time we're seeing crystal clear renders that reveal both the front and back design in full. Starting from the front, the Galaxy A57 features a flat display with a centered punch-hole selfie camera at the top. The bezels appear impressively slim for this category. They look mostly symmetrical, although the bottom chin does seem slightly thicker compared to the other sides, at least judging by these renders. Still, overall, the front design looks clean and modern. One standout design element appears on the right side of the frame. The section where the buttons are located slightly protrudes outward. Samsung refers to this as the key island design. It could be an updated version of the same concept we recently saw on the Galaxy A17, possibly refined further for the A57. Speaking of buttons, the power or lock button sits just below the volume up and down keys on the right edge. These seem to be the only physical buttons present on the device. The frame itself is completely flat, adding to the phone's sharp and contemporary appearance. Moving to the back, the Galaxy A57 comes with a triple camera setup positioned in the top left corner. The three sensors are vertically aligned and housed inside a single camera island that slightly protrudes from the back panel. Right next to the module, there's an LED flash. The rear panel looks fully flat and minimalistic, with subtle Samsung branding placed toward the bottom. Unfortunately, the renders don't give us a look at the top and bottom edges. However, we can safely expect standard features like a USB Type-C port, microphone cutouts, and a speaker grill on the bottom side. Overall, the Galaxy A57 brings a much more polished and premium-inspired design to the mid-range segment. If Samsung manages to combine this design with strong specifications and aggressive pricing, this phone could easily become one of the best-selling devices in its category. That's all for now. What do you think about the Galaxy A57's design? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. As always, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.